Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix TikTok search option not working on Android or iPhone on any models mobile phone. So you have first of all fix this issue. So first of all you subscribe and share my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all fix this issue. Check TikTok server. If the features do not work on TikTok, it could indicate problem with the platform. The team at TikTok may be performing system maintenance on server, or there may be unexpected problem. So then second solution, you have restart TikTok. One of the quickest ways to fix most problem on TikTok or any platform, it is the restart the app. This will allow your device to reload TikTok resource and eliminate error and other glitches that may occur during use. For most modern Android and iOS device, you can block app from running through the app switcher. So while you have using the TikTok app, so then you have restart your iPhone. So double tap on home button, so then you have remove and then restart the TikTok app. Then third solution, you have update TikTok. The version of TikTok installed on your device may have potential issues related to the search functions. To rule this out, check for pending update for the TikTok app on your device and install them. So you have open the app store on iPhone, then you have Android use, so open the Play Store on iPhone. So then you have search the TikTok app is update is available on your iPhone, so you must be update the TikTok app on your Android or iPhone. So not is available in my phone. So then fourth solution, you have checked the network connection. Another reason when not search bar does not work on TikTok is that your network is slow. If your connection is unstable, the application will not be able to obtain the data if it needs to display search results. To check if your network is causing the problem, use browse.com to perform tests to measure your connection bandwidth. Then last solution, you have reinstall TikTok. If the search bar is still not working on TikTok, maybe dealing with a more serious problem. Some of TikTok installations files may be corrupted beyond repair by any update. In this case, on your best bet is reinstall the app on your device to make sure everything works. So you have deleted the TikTok app from your iPhone, then you have reinstalled the TikTok app from App Store on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.